Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chips cookies, scrumptious and healthy. Here are the ingredients. Instead of flour, we will be using chickpeas. I rinse it first really well and then I drained it after. We have here 3 tablespoons of honey, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips, baking soda and baking powder, 1 teaspoon each, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm making my own peanut butter here. I threw some roasted peanuts and roasted sesame seeds in a food processor and grinded them together until it turned into a butter. We were gonna put all the other ingredients in the food processor except for the chocolate chips and then we will blend it up. So we have placed the chickpeas, that is 1 can. I put some vanilla paste, but you can also use a vanilla extract. Then we add some honey as sweetener. You can use some other kind of sweetener, it depends to you. I just used honey because it's healthy. We pour some baking powder, baking soda and salt, and then we're just gonna blend it up. Here is how it turned out. Very nice and creamy. Now we will add the chocolate chips and mix it up with the butter. If you want, you can add some more chocolate chips and make it more sweet. But for me, it's enough, so I don't have to add more. We will preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we will prepare the baking tray. And then we'll put a parchment paper or a baking paper. We're gonna take a scoop of butter, put it onto a baking sheet. You will see that it's kind of sticking and it's fine, so you just have to hold the baking sheet so it won't slide on the tray. Alright, so here you go. I've made 6 big pieces of cookies and we preheated the oven already. We'll now gonna put them in the oven. Cookies are ready. We are now taking it out of the oven. Wow, look at these. Looks beautiful. And it's healthy. Expect the cookies to be soft. They're not crunchy. And they're supposed to be like that. We will just cool it down to firm it up. And that's it. Enjoy your cookies.